Part 1 of making you a doggy taco for your dog is browning your hamburger with no taco seasoning. Part 2 of making your dog a taco is separating a little bit of that brown hamburger into a separate bowl. Try not to get too much grease in there. Part 3 is your dog patiently waiting for her doggy taco to be finished cooking. Are you waiting for your taco, Pops? It's almost done. Part 4 is preheating your air fryer to cook one hard shell taco for your doggy's taco. Part 5 of making the doggy taco is breaking the shell in half and then crushing it up into very, very small pieces. You want it very fine, and you keep doing that until it's fully done. This right here is exactly how chopped up it should be, very finely. Use a slow feeder if you can. Now it's time to assemble your doggy taco. First, you're going to take your crushed up taco shell and put it in the feeder. You'll want to spread it throughout. Then you're going to take your unseasoned hamburger meat from earlier and put it on top. Shake it again. Now, only a little bit of cheese on top, not too much. And our puppy girls, she loves sour cream. So she gets a little dollop of sour cream on the top. Puppy girls, are you ready for your doggy taco? Can you give me pretty paw? Oh.